Menteri Rangba Jong ke Jylla Conrad ke sangma. Haniga sengiu la pentik kenaba ana mailat ya kanu ke Jingtei. Belatei ke sarkar Assam Hapoh uput usam Jong ke Jylla Meghalaya. Conrad sangma ula Kren ya kani katba udang ai jubab halor ke Jingkeli ka bayadei bat karai Jong ke sarkar Assam bantai biang ya ke Forest Beat Office Hamukro kabadan West Jylla Hills. Ula ong ba un sapet sakmi alor kani ke benta bat insale ya ke badan kam. Ula pentep syuk-syuk ba udang yai beteng ban ya Kren bat Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Assam uhiminta baswa sarma bat ong baladadan kanu ke jingya Kren bat kanu ke snat trikam lani ke seng insa penlong habaro arliang.
I'll take a review of the situation, and if there's anything to be done, then definitely we'll take necessary action. And of course, just to share with you that I have had multiple discussions with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in the last 2 days, and we are also going to have more discussions in the next coming days also, in discussion with these issues and how to ensure that these kind of future situations don't happen again, and no instigation or no kind of actions that could lead to this kind of situation should not happen. So we are now in constant touch, and we are ensuring that the communication happens at the highest level.